Have you ever scrambled to fix an IT meltdown the moment it struck, only to watch it happen again weeks later? According to research, the average cost of IT downtime is $5,600 per minute. That figure adds up fast, especially for small and medium-sized organizations juggling limited resources. As Lambros Bowers, Vice President of NetOps Consulting, says, intelligent IT planning lays the groundwork for steady, sustainable growth. Break-fix IT support might seem cost-effective at first, but relying on it can lead to ongoing emergencies, unexpected downtime, and a lack of strategic planning for your business. Every call to fix an issue adds up, both in cost and lost productivity. On the other hand, managed services take a proactive approach, offering 24/7 monitoring, predictable costs, and a roadmap to keep your IT running smoothly. With managed services, businesses benefit from regular updates, threat detection, and a strategic partnership that aligns technology with their long-term goals. Instead of constantly putting out fires, you get peace of mind knowing your IT is optimized and future-ready. Choosing between break-fix and managed services doesn't have to be a guessing game. Assessing your IT load, understanding your risk tolerance, and planning for future growth can help you decide which model fits your business best. Want to dive deeper into the pros and cons? Read the full article now at NetOps Consulting's website and discover how you can take control of your IT future. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist to stay informed on smart IT strategies.